2020. You like 4th of July? Is that a cop? That's a cop over here. I don't know. That's a cop. You know, did this last year. Figured I'd do it again this year. So far, there's nothing really interesting showing up. There's some ones back here. I can see over the roof of this of the car. You can see some. You can see some over here. What? Oh, that was one. Oh. Can you please, camera? Can we not have the same thing like we did last year, please? That'd be great. Thing just hates me. Some are going off over here, but I don't see them any. So I keep seeing, so there's probably a lot going on near here by the cops. Yes, the cops over there. Don't know what they're doing over there. This big wide parking lot. Oh, it's starting. That was some hope.
Yeah.
I actually caught that one.
Good.
Great. My camera kind of focused, but no matter what phone I still use. Oh, what the heck is going on over here? The car is looking like it's getting burned up. What the heck are these things? Dude, that one, that the beginning. Come on, around this time last year is when they started to go off. Oh, there's some going off over here.
Oh yeah.
There's some going off. Again, my camera's not focusing. It'd be great if you could. Well, there were some going off. None over here. I'm looking at everywhere, dude. Oh my God, this camera is so. This camera is just so. Well, that actually looks. Oh, there's some going off from back here. Hold on. One's going back here. You can barely see them, but you could see them.
Yeah, probably right behind our house.
True. Look at all those drones, dude. Oh my God, that's a lot of drones. What?
That's a lot of drones.
Exactly. I just said the same thing. Look.
They're probably taking pictures of all the fireworks.
That is very interesting. That's 6 drones. Oh my jeez. That's a lot of drones. This year is fooling us. Oh, look. That one came up. Why aren't they going off? Why aren't they going? Why are none of them just going on? It's doing it that way. Ooh, interesting. Ooh, now they're starting. Yep, they're definitely starting now. Because it's actually kind of dark. Ooh. I think I should resume it out just to see both of these coming out. There's a lot. Ooh. I don't know. They all just went. Now they're starting, finally. Took them long. Whoa. I actually zoomed it out so you could see both those fireworks and the others. So far, there's some fireworks over here that actually are like red and blue. That's pretty interesting, although I do not see them. Oh, there they are. Whoa! These kids are screaming. Oh God, that was me back then. Who is? doesn't sound good. What was that? Just wonder why the cops are here though. Maybe in case if someone gets hurt, I don't know. That's not really a cop's job, but whatever. Any stuff going on behind here? No, it doesn't seem like it. It'd be great if I... Oh my god, this thing is so annoying. So annoying. Look at that. They're lighting up that car. Keep it going, dude. Make my freaking night. Don't tell me that was all. Don't tell me that was all. Come on now. Oh, that was very interesting. Hold on. Can we get that one again? They were everywhere. They were everywhere last year. Now there's just like a couple places. You know, there's just not much. Still wondering what those guys are doing. Oh, they're starting over here too. Hold on, let me just zoom in a lot over here. Oh, look at that. That's a sight to see. No, finger, don't get in the way. Finger, don't. Girth here. Ooh. I don't know. I can't even find them. I can't. Oh, they're over there. That's a drone. And it's these guys over here in front are killing it. Whoa. Some more back there just chilling. My god, this camera's a mess.
Well, if you move too fast, it's not going to catch it either.
I'm not even moving. Nothing is really going on this year, dude, compared to last year's. I don't even know why I said that. As soon as I say that, that happens.
We're seeing more over that way.
These guys just got started over here. Nice try, bro. I have a different phone this time and it still can't record as good. Holy crap. Hope they're not lighting their car on fire.
Yeah, really.
Seemed like it was going towards the car. There's some behind the trees. This year is nowhere near as crazy, dude. Last year I had to keep moving the camera constantly back and forth. This year's just like one space. Nothing back here, nothing back over here, or whatever. It's just boring.
There's a lot going on over there, but they're all down below.
Now an alarm is going off. Perfect.
I got a lightning bug on my window.
Where?
He just lit up a minute ago.
Hold on. Where's he at? Oh, I see him. He's now lighting up. Luckily, the window on my screen on this phone is so weird that you can't even see your face on here. God, keep yourself. Whoa, whoa. Oh! Now they're going. The only time this thing's ever focusing. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna go in the car just to be safe here. I don't wanna get burned. Sorry. That was insane. You should have seen what it looked like over here. That was the only time my camera ever focused during a firework. That one was crazy. Some people were screaming because it was so loud. Yeah, that was really loud.
Now there's some going off over this way.
Oh yeah, now I see them. Where that? Oh, your thing stopped.
Right there. Yeah. I'm only taking.
It's actually kind of better to
I
go
don't
on
have a lot
here.
of memory anyway.
Makes sense. I think I'm gonna film for like a few more, like a couple more minutes if anything crazy pops up. I'm not really looking like, man.
Now you got 3 spots.
Those kids are walking down. I would love for this thing to actually work. I think there's some going off back there. That one earlier was. I know they're probably saving the best for last.
Oh, they're lighting more off right here again.
Oh my god. Here they go. You could actually feel like the air. And kind of the hotness from the car. Great. This one, now it's actually starting to get good.
Yeah.
And during the 13-minute mark of this recording, it's actually starting to get good. Albeit it still hasn't beaten last year so far. Well, I'm gonna stop this for now.